Hey guys, so I've been working on this really cool magic trick. I've been working on it for a little bit and I don't know how it's gonna work, so let's see how this goes. You guys ready for this? OMG, you guys. You see that? So the first night I was here, I actually forgot my phone charger and I was looking everywhere, so I had to use the one in my car and I had to kind of rig it to my laptop so it would charge, so I had my laptop charger when I just could have used that one the whole time. I literally just found it, no joke. Oh my goodness. Look at this guy. Yeah. Me and this guy are friends. Check this out. He drinks from the sink. Help yourself there, little buddy. I can pet you, but you gotta drink from the sink. You gonna drink from the sink or no? You're more interested in the camera. Can't believe it. Why can't you guys just do what we tell you to do? Anyways, he normally drinks from the sink, but he's a lover right now. Oh, there you go. You ain't thirsty? You ain't thirsty? I'm to see what's in here. Oh yeah. Gotta love mom's leftover cooking. Beef stew. You know, Luke, why are you so needy all the time? Of course he turns and looks away. I just love mom's cooking. It's just so good. Love you, Mom. Thanks. No soup for you.
Look at you.
Or you.
You do things your way. With the power of the stone.
I see y'all.
Your hand. You do your own research.
You want this?
Make your own path, and you notice the details.
So
when it seems like the right time.
they've been trying to eat my freaking soup. I ain't having it.
Right there.
Just sitting here editing some photos, and you know what goes good with editing photos? Beer. Alright, so let's get down to the real reason why you guys are watching this vlog. My clothing company, Pursue. So, I recently just ordered a shirt with color swatches on it, and with that, I'll be able to find out the colors that I want my clothing to be, or the design on the clothes, not the clothing. That'll be just normal white, black. You get the picture. You guys ever have random cravings for ice cream? Me too. I think it's ice cream time. I think it's ice cream time. Doggo, you cannot have ice cream. I've told you 100,000 times you cannot have ice cream. I know you want it, but you cannot have ice cream. Don't give me that face. Don't give me that sass. Yeah, you heard it. No, that's not for you either. I already fed you. I already fed you, you big boy. You guys, I'm about to go out to get ice cream in my pajamas. Which I never do. I never go out in public in my pajamas. But you know what? Ice cream is worth it. No ice cream for you. See ya. Nope. Nope. gosh, you can't close this freaking door. I'll be back. Gosh, I gotta make sure I don't slip on the ice. Whoa, almost just slipped. All right. Ice cream time. Oh yeah. Told you guys. All right guys, I got my ice cream and I'm actually gonna watch some Netflix and go to bed or something because I'm really tired and I need to relax. So that'll be it for this one. I know it was just kind of me doing a bunch of random stuff, but right now for me in my life, it's just when I'm working full time and I have a bunch of other things to do and priorities, sometimes this is what you're gonna get. Just me doing life.